So I want to do a little video on this setup here. Fab Defense. At this polymer scope mount. I can't remember how much it was. Like 50 bucks, something like that. And it's already on the gun, but it's a charging handle for the Glock. Now this is a Glock 45, obviously Gen 5. They said after I ordered it, I emailed them to double check, and it took them 9 days to get back to me. And they said it didn't fit. Neither one of these fit this gun. This generation. They said it only fits generation 1 through 3. So it came in today, and I was like, well, it looks like it'll fit. So I tried it, and it fit. I don't know. The only problem I had really was for the charging handle. Let's turn the light on here. Is the original back plate was slightly different, and pull this out so you can see. All right, the original fit through between those two pieces of plastic perfect, and I didn't know until after that this didn't, and it just, when I released it and went forward, it nicked the plastic, and it really wasn't a big deal. I took a razor blade and cut it wider so it fit in there anyways, but it's not hanging up or anything. And as far as the mount, the only issue I had, it's not really an issue, I guess, is right there. It's pressing up against the gun, but it's not really changing anything. I mean, it might add a little wear, or you could take a Dremel and cut a slight groove in there to make it go round if you're that worried about it. But yeah, I wish I had a phone holder. This charging handle is pretty nice, ambidextrous. Jesus, I think this was like 70 bucks. Just pulls out. And I'm assuming it's got a ball bearing and spring in there that hold it in. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, I'm not sure what they said, like in an emergency or something. My scope's not in the way. You could cock it like that. And that's I got that true glow sight, red dot. It's not bad. I like it.